So in today's video, I'm going to have a go at making these embry cloth sandpapers, cut them into like little inch square pieces, and then put them on your Dremel screw attachment and see how I go on sanding, because the horse head is a bit awkward to sand, so I'm going to see if this works better. So cut your 5 pieces off. So I've got 5 pieces. So I put four facing up, 1 facing down. It doesn't matter if they're perfectly the same size. And then, to make it easier to go onto your screw, get your hole puncher, centre punch in the middle of your squares of sandpaper you cut off. There you go, you got them on there now. So then, get your screw. This attachment came in the Von Hoos rotary tool set. So this one, it's got the little washers on it. See the little washers? So keep one washer on. That's how I'm going to do it anyway. Keep one washer on. And then you've already poked your hole through, so it's easier. It says. There you go. Once you got your first one on, you got something to hold then as well, haven't you? So then, put your 4 facing up. Screw on your hole, poke it through. So you get your 4, when it's attached to your Dremel, or whatever you're using, on Hoos, put your screw on, so you get 4 facing up, and then your 1 facing down. So if you want it to go into like an eye or whatever, you can also sandpaper there and sandpaper there. But obviously mostly you're going to be sanding like that. But then if you have to get in that crack there, you'll be sanding both bits at the same time, so you can come along and do that bit and then press it down and do that bit. So then, second washer. And I found what works, what I did with the bird cage, the little rods that make up the cage. So obviously it's however many tiny little rods to do. With the rods, I put 2 facing in, 2 facing up. So these 2 would be facing the other way around. So then, when you're going on a little rod or something like that, it sands it easier. So you're sanding both sides of the rod at the same time, and you can just manipulate it around the rod and sanded. Because that was boring, that bird cage was. So just keep trying new things and see what makes everything easier. Let's screw that on there. It's on there now. And then we'll see how it goes on the horse head. Oh, and I've also got these. So I'm going to try these out. Just bought them off Amazon. 1/8 inch shaft for your Dremel. See how they go as well. So I've put the emery cloth attachment in there. So you've got your 4 facing up, 1 facing down. So I don't know if you can see all the sanding that needs to be done in here, all these marks. So on here I've got the 400 grit emery cloth. I'm just going to turn it to 4 on your Dremel. Number 4, speed setting 4 on your Dremel 3000. And then once you've got it going smooth, turn it down from 4 to 2 and go back over it. See how smooth that is. So, see his neck there, proper lumpy. And we'll see if we can smooth that out. And obviously the faster you have it, the quicker it's going to take it down. And then once you've got all the grooves taken out, all the deep bits taken out, then you can slow it down. Smooth. You see that there? And there you go. That's how quick it is, and you can get into the awkward spots.